And as the share price has been dropping, people are getting hit by margin calls, which means they need to sell, which drives the price lower. And it becomes this cascading liquidation event where margin calls kick in, people have to sell, and that drives the price down. And then a new round of margin calls get hit, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So the price, is back down. It's gone up a little bit in the last couple of days, but when I checked over the weekend, it was back down to November 2021 prices. So 4 and a bit years of value for Bitcoin investors, and if they didn't sell, wiped out. But it's a store of long-term value, and it's going to hit $1 million, Tony. So just keep that in mind.
Digital gold.
Saw a friend of mine on Facebook over the weekend saying, "I think it's time to buy more Bitcoin." It's like, of course it is. Yeah.
Standard response. Yeah.
Which means that you didn't sell, and you've seen the share price halve, and you're like, quick, everyone go in and pump it back up again.
Who knows? It may turn back up again. People may be awake to it now. That TikTok you sent me also mentioned, I think it's now called Strategy, but it was called MicroStrategy. Back when I met the CEO many years ago when they were providing analytical software, and they pivoted to buy Bitcoin. And I think they're reporting this week in the US, and that'll be another watershed moment for Bitcoin because they hold a large amount of Bitcoin on their balance sheet. I don't think they've been a seller so far, but they have leverage via placements they've continued to make to their shareholders. And when they raise more capital, they buy Bitcoin. And I think they've been doing it the way they've been doing it is to issue convertible notes. And so as those start to convert, the shareholders might pressure them to sell down their Bitcoin, which will be part of this cascading liquidation event. Grand sale, grand sale, grand sale.
Comprare.
Yeah.